Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to tell you, this day here has been a rough one down here. I got my four-wheeler stuck on a log, got it off. My electronic switch stopped working, so I've been using the foot lever, and then that foot lever come off and fell in a creek right there. But I had done got way on back in the woods over yonder before I realized it. I come back and found it. So the Lord is looking out after me, and the devil is trying his best to get me upset, but can't do it. Can't do it at all. So I had to cut my four-wheeler off. I'm gonna sit right here at this creek, and I'm gonna listen to that river, that little creek right there, just flow and soothe my soul.